So in this corner, we have a pedestrian street today. And then we have Invernarios on the other side of it. It's December 31st. We're capturing the last day of the 2023 year. Probably posted sometime in 2024. That's something that we'd see in Tokyo, the cat. So lots of people walking around today. So we're gonna get to the starting of our street and then we're gonna walk down it. So let's head back down this way and I'm going to give you the name of the street and then we'll get started. I guess that's a tour group right there with the sign. So that's our name. Nossa, Senhora de Amparo. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're starting here at the beginning of the street. We'll try to give you some context of that in a moment. So yeah, we got this whole, this is actually pedestrian street today. And this is called, give you the name in a second. Rua de Nossa Senhora de Amparo, Our Lady of Amparo. And today they have a roadblock here. So they're gonna, hello. So usually they always move traffic. You can see that big row of people all the way down. So that's actually widening the sidewalk a little bit because there's so many people. And I don't know where they're all coming from today, but I guess we're gonna find out in a moment. But yeah, usually the street has cars going through. So they made it into a pedestrian street today. And they've been playing around with creating more pedestrian streets because the other ones they have are incredibly popular, incredibly crowded, incredibly successful. So they're trying to find a ways to bring in more of these, and this street here is probably would be a fantastic one because you have another street over there called Invernarios. So that's kind of interesting. We're gonna try to go across once we get a little space in here. Okay, let's go across. So we have a place to eat right here. You got a coffee shop right there with a Tokyo cat. And then you have a little truck here. Busy. So let's just go to the face of the street just to give you some context of everything. Oh, sorry. So yeah, they just did this little makeshift thing today for all the foot traffic. So let's come back around and we're gonna go the opposite way of all the people. We're gonna go directly into them. I don't know why they're all going one direction. Everybody's coming one direction. But yeah, this would be a fantastic pedestrian street. I do drive a car and I do drive down this street sometimes, but it's always kind of crowded. There's always pedestrians in the street as well. So it's not really a good street for driving. And there's a lot of kind of cool stuff all along it as well. There's the target street right there. Rua de Nossa Senhora de Amparo. You got little alleys like that. To that alley. I'm going to show you something real quick in that alley. That little alley goes to this little underground tunnel that connects to Sao Paulo ruins. This little courtyard called Mina. So we're just gonna do a quick excursion real quick. Just want to show you because there's a lot of cool stuff that people don't really know about. So all those tourists are out there, right? But in here, You have cool stuff. What's in there? So all this stuff is blocking it, but there's a little tunnel that goes to Sapala ruins. Anyways, I just thought I'd give you a quick excursion. Let's get back to our target street, which is the Our Lady of Amparo. Now we're back at it. There's a lot of people walking this direction. Let's go up on the sidewalk again. Then you also have some, oh, there's just so many people coming this way. So now we're going to capture these kind of beautiful buildings right there. Let me see. Let's see if I can. It's gonna capture that owner in there, but I don't see him. We'll come by later. We'll say hi to him. Let's just go right now. Let's say, yeah, I'll catch him later. He's kind of busy. Oh, this is where all the crowds are coming from up here. So you can see they're coming down from Sapala Ruins, and Sapala Ruins is crazy crowded today. This street is also called Amparo too, but this is a Calzada de Amparo. Ours is Our Lady of Amparo. So you can see that sign too. So all these crowds are coming down from Sapala Ruins, and that is crazy crowded up there as well. So we're just going to, there's so many people today. This has dogs in it today. So that's kind of cool. So I guess they're letting dogs into the cafe. Okay. There's just people just pouring in from Sapala Ruins. Then we're actually going to go into this little alley. This alley has kind of an art theme to it, as you can see. I had more of an art theme before, and they've the COVID happened basically, so kind of destroyed that plan, but it might come back. So we are going to come back to our main Our Lady of Amparo, Nossa Senhora de Amparo. So we just kind of went around. There's lots of little things you can do like that here. I'm gonna do another one right now. But yeah, when you get in this area, there's just kind of unlimited amount of cool stuff that you can check out. So now we're on the parallel street. This parallel street is Invernarios. Goes all the way down. And we're just gonna go back to our target street, but I just want to kind of give you an idea that there's a lot of stuff. Oh, they opened up this coffee shop. This is actually quite popular. Just kind of go down briefly. And they got some cool stuff like this. So yeah, it's all kinds of interesting stuff in here. So what? I think I'm just gonna go back. I could keep going into the labyrinth, but we're getting off of our Amparo street, which is not good. Okay, so we are gonna head back to Amparo. And now we're back on Amparo and we have all the pedestrians again. Oops. I think she sent me this wave, but I didn't get it. And I think Amparo, it's going to end in a moment, and it matches with the one that we were just on. So that was this little parallel street. Now we're on Tercera. Oh, they're watching movies, okay. Let's just kind of come back, go this way. And now we are going to try to come back to our target street. Huh. So it looks like they got different trucks all set up, and it looks like they're all like food trucks or something like that. Antiques. So pretty cool. Let's see if we can get back over there. Let's go this way. I think we actually go out of our street. So this actually turns into Tercera Street. So I'm not going to go down Tercera Street today. But this is actually really popular too, and usually there's cars going by, so it's pretty unusual to see it like this, where it's free of tourists. Let's go down this way. So we're gonna see what they got all got here. Blue blues. Hello. No, we'll just kind of slowly go across here. And they're doing makeup. Then you have all these trucks. So I guess the trucks have specialties too, so I guess they kind of do that to as a restaurant. Okay. Okay, so that was our senior Amparo Street. Very, very busy today. And you can also see Grand Lisboa Casino in the background. Okay. So let's just wait till the crowds go by a little bit, and then we're gonna switch around, and that's the end of our street. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.